Laura Banford, and I'm going to teach you how to make baked penne with sausage. Now we're going to begin cooking, and we're going to start with the sausage. We'll get the sausage in the pan, and all the juices and fat that'll come out of the sausage will flavor the sauce that we then continue to make in the same pan. I've turned on my pan. I'm going to douse it with some extra virgin olive oil. And then what you have to do is slip the sausages out of their casings because we want crumbled sausage. So I make a slice down the middle of each one. And you see, I'm going to pull the sausage out of its casing. Get that off. And I'm going to crumble it into the pan. And it's going to be kind of in lumps, but I'm going to take the back of my wooden spoon and crush it up. There we go. And as it cooks, it'll crumble even more easily, but you want it to cook through because it is raw pork sausage. And that's going to start to render out and get nice and brown and delicious. Okay, and when we come back, we're going to get our vegetables into the pan and start building our sauce.